Oh no.
Emma, no, stop!
What's wrong?
Did you wash your hands after sneezing?
No, I forgot.
No, there are germs in your hands.
I go wash hands right now. Look, my hands are here.
Well done, Emma.
Uh-oh.
I'm going to wash my hands.